Let me show you how this works. Look, when I do the arch, the outside wheel right here, going faster than the inside wheel. Look at that, it's sick.
Okay, so as you heard Carter explain, this is a differential, and one of my 8th graders actually made this differential, and we can make it go forward, we can make it go backward, but the special thing is that because of all these gears in here, it lets these wheels turn at 2 different speeds. So you can have one wheel moving faster. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can, well, maybe I can do it. One wheel turning faster and one wheel turning slower. There it is, you saw it here first. Check that out. There's the worm gear in action on Caden's car.
I can pick up this.
What a low gear. That is awesome. Forward and reverse. Oh man, I wish I had a washing machine. Check out this washing machine.